Dear students, back to the chemistry session in continuation of our parts, that is retrosynthetic analysis in different molecules. As we are having, this is the target molecule is what? C double bond O. This is C again. We can take this is the CH3, and here what nitro group is here, or we can take methyl group is here. Again another target molecules, you can take this is what C double bond O, this is CH3. Again we call these types of the reactor isopropyl group. If you are providing these two target molecule, whatever. What is the retrosynthetic approach? What is the retrosynthetic approach of given target molecules? First of all, we should know this target molecules which contain the which types of the functional group is here. Here the target compounds which contain the functional group is here, that is the aromatic carbonyl compounds. And we know that this aromatic carbonyl compounds, first as we are going to this analysis path. What is the analysis of the given target molecules? This CO bond disconnection takes place. As we know that this aromatic carbonyl nucleus is prepared from what? That is the one of the name of the reaction. This is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. If this is what CC bond is disconnection takes place, and then generation of what? The formation of this is methyl group is here. So this is a toluene molecule. So this toluene molecule is obtained, and this what C, this carries the positively charged, and this C double bond O, this Cl. So this is acyl cations, as you can say Cl, and this is what one of the CH3 group, this C double bond O and CH3, this is acetyl chloride. Or we can take this is what another Ac2O acetic anhydride is there, acetyl bromide is also. So what happened in the plan of the synthesis, as we know that synthesis plan. First of all, again this is the retrosynthetic analysis of these types of the compound is formation of this benzene nucleus and what? Methyl chloride. So this benzene nucleus and methyl chloride, then what happen here in continuation of the path. If you have this is break again the path, the synthesis. अब इसका synthesis क्या होगा? Starting reactant molecule है हमारे पास यहाँ पे acetyl chloride, CH3COCl. And first of all we can take this benzene nucleus. What is the path? This benzene nucleus is reacted with the methyl chloride. In presence of AlCl3, Lewis acid, formation of these types of the product is obtained. This is known as toluene molecule. This is done by what? Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. This is by Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Thus Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction again further it is treated with what? CH3 C double bond O Cl. The Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction takes place AlCl3, then formation of our target molecule, this C double bond O, this CH3 again HCl, and what? AlCl3 remain 8. So what happened here? So this what HCl and AlCl3 remain 8. It is a side product. So what happened? These types of the reaction it is called as what? Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So this is the COCH3. So these types of the product it is called as the target molecule. As you can say this is the TM is there. काय केलं इथं आपण बघा बरं. स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टंट आपला होता पॅरामेथिल और 4-मेथिल एसिटोफिनोन. याचं आपण CC डिस्कनेक्शन केलं. CC डिस्कनेक्शन यासाठी केलं की आपल्याला हे माहित पाहिजे की रिव्हर्स जात असताना आपल्याला स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टंट हा कुठला मिळतो आणि प्रोडक्ट कसा असायला पाहिजे. जर आपण इथून रिव्हर्स गेलो तर Friedel-Crafts acylation याला आपण म्हणू शकतो. पण इथं आपल्याला Friedel-Crafts acylation करण्यासाठी आपण जो सिंथेटिक इक्विव्हॅलंट घेतला तो घेतला असेटिल क्लोराइड किंवा असेटिक अनहायड्राइड आपण इथं घेऊ शकतो. बर मग आपण असेटिल क्लोराइड किंवा असेटिक अनहायड्राइड घेतल्यानंतर आपल्याकडे जो लेफ्ट मॉलिक्यूल राहिला तो राहिला टोलिन मॉलिक्यूल. मग या टोलिन मॉलिक्यूलचं आपण पुन्हा काय केलं? रेट्रो डिस्कनेक्शन केलं. रेट्रो केलं डिस्कनेक्शन केल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला बेन्झीन मॉलिक्यूल आणि मेथिल क्लोराइड इथे भेटला. बेन्झीन आणि मेथिल क्लोराइड का घेतला? कारण की आपल्याला माहित आहे की रिव्हर्स जात असताना आपल्याला टोलिन फॉर्मेशन करायचं आहे. म्हणजे आपल्याला अशी रिएक्शन करायची ज्यापासून टोलिन मॉलिक्यूल तयार होईल, मेथिल बेन्झीन तयार होईल. मग त्यासाठी आपल्याकडे रिएक्टंट मॉलिक्यूल असायला पाहिजे बेन्झीन आणि मेथिल क्लोराइड आणि इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ AlCl3. मग असं केल्याच्या नंतर अशी रिएक्शन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला टोलिन मॉलिक्यूल मिळाला. मेथिल बेन्झीन. मग या मेथिल बेन्झीन सोबत आपण जर फ्रिडर कप असायलेशन जर केले तर आपल्याला टार्गेट मॉलिक्यूल मिळतो. दिस इज व्हॉट पॅरामेथिल असिटोफिनोन. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द रेट्रोसिंथेटिक एनालिसिस. एज यू कैन से एनालिसिस फॉलोड बाय द सिंथेसिस ऑफ व्हाट गिवन टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल. अब हमारे पास दूसरा टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल है. सो दैट इज व्हाट 4 आइसोप्रोपिल एसिटोफिनोन. यहाँ पे देखना है 4 आइसोप्रोपिल एसिटोफिनोन. दिस इज वन ऑफ द टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल. अब हम इस टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल का हमें क्या करना है, सिंथेसिस एनालिसिस करना है. क्या करना है, एनालिसिस करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो दैट इज द हाउ मेनी फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज हियर. अब यहाँ पे हम इसको ऐसा लिखते हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द पैरामेथिल एसिटो सो आइसोप्रोपिल para isopropyl acetophenone. So these are the same molecule. So we want to this is analysis. Same thing is that again the analysis is takes place CC disconnection. What happened here, CC disconnection. So whenever we take this is the CC disconnection, again here formation of isopropyl and what CH3 C double bond O. This is the acyl carbocation. It is the synthetic equivalent CH3 C double bond O Br. हम यहाँ पे Br ले सकते हैं या Cl भी ले सकते हैं. So again we can disconnect these types of the compound, this CC disconnection again. So what happen, there is formation of these types of the species and here positively charged, this is equivalent to what CH3 C double bond O. Sorry, यहाँ पे इसका इक्विवेलेंट होगा दिस इज द Cl और वी कैन टेक दिस इज द ब्रोमीन आइटम. ओके, आइसोप्रोपिल ब्रोमाइड. So as we know this plan of the synthesis, what is the plan of synthesis? अब इसका synthesis plan क्या होगा? If you are in this is the benzene molecules, it is easily available in laboratory. So it is reacted with the these types of the isopropyl bromide in presence of what ferric bromide. So what about these types of the reaction? This is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So there is formation of what the types of the product is obtained. What these types of the compound, it is called as the cumene molecule. There is formation of the cumene molecule here. This cumene molecules again this cumene molecule is treated with what I am writing here. This cumene molecule in continuation of the reaction, cumene molecule is treated with what this is the CH3 C double bond OBr. This is the acetyl bromide in presence of what AlBr3. As you can say AlBr3 or FeBr3 ferric bromide. Then what about there is formation of the types of the product is obtained, this isopropyl bromide and here is what this is the C double bond O CH3. Such types of the product is obtained. This is called as what target molecule. यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा target molecule. This is the first, as you can say, second step. So this is the by CC disconnection. Here we use this plan of the synthesis by using what Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction.